Quitting smoking can be challenging, but it's definitely possible with the right approach and determination. Here are some steps you can take to help you quit smoking. 1. Set a quick date. Choose a specific date to quit smoking and mark it on your calendar. Having a deadline can help you mentally prepare for the change. 2. Identify triggers. Pay attention to the situations, emotions, or activities that trigger your smoking cravings. Once you identify these triggers, you can develop strategies to avoid or cope with them. 3. Find support. Let your friends, family, and coworkers know that you're trying to quit smoking. Their support and encouragement can be invaluable during this process. You can also join a support group or seek professional help if needed. 4. Consider nicotine replacement therapy, NRT. NRT products such as nicotine patches, gum, lozenges, or inhalers can help reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right type and dosage for you. 5. Try medications. There are prescription medications available that can help reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Talk to your doctor about whether medications like varenicline, Chantix, or bupropion, Zybon are suitable for you. 6. Practice stress relief techniques. Smoking is often used as a coping mechanism for stress. Find alternative ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, deep breathing, or hobbies that you enjoy. 7. Stay busy. Keep yourself occupied with activities that keep your hands and mind busy, such as taking a walk, chewing gum, knitting, or playing a game. 8. Stay positive and persistent. Understand that quitting smoking is a process, and setbacks may happen. Stay positive and focus on your reasons for quitting. If you slip up, don't get discouraged. Instead, learn from the experience and recommit to your goal. 9. Reward yourself. Set up a reward system for yourself to celebrate your milestones along the way. Treat yourself to something special when you reach certain goals, such as being smoke-free for a week or a month. 10. Stay active. Regular physical activity can help reduce cravings and improve your mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Remember, quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health, and every small step you take towards quitting is a step in the right direction. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.